In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock user on Telegram. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up Telegram and let's block some user, for example that one. To block user, I just tap here on username, tap more, and here select block user and confirm that action. Now that user is blocked, and to unblock them I can just open that conversation, and here I got unblock option. I can tap on that and continue receiving message from that specific user. While user is blocked, you don't able to get messages from that user. That user can write you messages. And there can be another case when you blocked user and delete that conversation. What to do in that situation? Tap on settings here and tap on privacy and security, and here select blocked users, and there I see that specific user. I can tap on that username and here tap on unblock option, confirm that action, and now that person is unblocked. I can go back to conversation and see that I can write messages right here. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.